Welcome to the famous Blue Mansion of Penang. The mansion is so beautiful that it was featured in Crazy Rich Asians. So today, I'm gonna compare these two devices. Zhiyun Crane M2, which is a gimbal that can be used for a mirrorless camera, point and shoot camera, as well as mobile phone action camera. So I want to give you guys 5 pointers why I really enjoy using Zhiyun Crane M2, as well as 3 pointers why I still love Osmo Pocket. So now let's go. So the first thing that I really enjoy about Zhiyun Crane M2 is that it is the first gimbal that I can actually travel with. Its maximum payload is 720 grams, which means I can actually use Alpha 6400 together with 35mm lens that I already earned. So I can actually make the videography to the next level. And the package includes the mobile phone holder, which I'm using right now on my mobile phone, on my tripod. And you can use the gimbal with action camera. So for any camera that you want for like recreational purpose, it will work with this gimbal. And the package also comes with a mini tripod and it's designed very conveniently for travel. And what this gimbal can do that Osmo Pocket cannot is that it does this vortex mode. I enjoy using it, but I think I need to actually brush up my skill. And the battery on spec sheet, it says it lasts for 7 hours. And already I've had this gimbal on for 4 or 5 hours. Look, 3 bars out of 4 are still on. So now let's talk about Osmo Pocket. What are the 3 pointers that I absolutely love about it, and why in some cases I actually prefer using Osmo Pocket over bigger gimbal that can actually hold a mirrorless camera. For Osmo Pocket, the obvious convenience is that it is tiny and has hardly any weight. You can turn it on and off, and that's enough to balance the gimbal. No need to balance all 3 axes according to the camera because the camera is built in. And the menu is already included and you can easily maneuver within the display. While you can, there's absolutely no need for you to connect the device to the mobile app. So Osmo Pocket, it's all about convenience. Convenience, convenience. I mean, there's so much technology packed in this camera plus 3-axis gimbal in this tiny little device. But for Crane M2, which is a tiny gimbal for an interchangeable mirrorless camera as well as action camera and mobile phone, it is certainly a step up into this filmmaking game. And it is still overweight that I can't even hold. For me, Zhiyun Crane M2, it is a keeper, and I'll definitely use it on days that I know I want to shoot something properly. So you'll definitely see me using Zhiyun Crane M2 in the future, so I'll definitely come back with other reviews and giving you some tips as I improve using the gimbal. See you!